Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are well and good. Today we will study chapter 4, Shalu and the Environment, from your book Sunbeams. Shalu is a girl. Shalu thinks of the ways to keep the environment clean. But there is one problem. She does not know where to find the environment. There is a story of a girl. Her name is Shalu. She wants to keep clean the environment, but she does not know where is the environment. Let us read the story and learn how she know where the environment is. Shalu's teacher tells the class that the environment is getting dirty day by day. We all need to keep it clean. At night, Shalu goes off to sleep thinking about how to keep the environment clean. When Shalu gets up early in the morning, she looks under her bed. It is very dirty. There was dust under the bed and she thought, but where is the environment? But environment was not there. Shalu goes to the window and opens it. She smells something in the air, like smoke. Maybe it is from the garbage her neighbors are burning. It didn't smell good. But if she is going to find the environment, she would better hurry up. Now she saw that there was dirt in the under the bed, and then she saw out of the window there was some garbage. Smoke was coming from outside. The neighbors were burning the garbage, and it was not good smell, and smoke is not good for our environment. And then third thing, what does she do? Shalu washes her hands and face and combs her hair. She brushes her teeth and watches the water rush from the tap and go down the drain. Where does it all come from? After breakfast, she goes outside to look for the environment. There, she met Titu, a squirrel. What happens after that? Shalu goes to wash her face and brush her teeth. Then water was coming from the tap and it was going to the drain. She thought, from where this water come? But she could not find the answer of environment. Then she met a squirrel in the garden. Shalu asked, where do you usually look for the environment? Shalu asked about the environment to Titu, the squirrel. She says, oh, I don't. Shalu asked, well, then how do you ever find it? If you don't find it, how do you keep it clean? Titu says, I don't look for it because I don't find it anywhere. It is because Titu says that environment I can't find, but it is everywhere. Where we see the water, air, and greenery, oxygen, everywhere is environment. What water is in our environment, air is in our environment. So we should not find it. It is everywhere. Titu makes her understand about environment, that an environment is around us. We should not find it. We should keep it clean. Do you drink any water? Then first she tells about air and then she tells about water. That's more of it. Do you have maybe cereal and milk and fruit for breakfast? Then Titu asks her कि when you eat your breakfast, in your breakfast you eat cereal and fruit and milk. These all we get from our environment. So environment is around us. Shalu begins to think and says, and what about the smoke and the dust under my bed? Titu replies, the environment is everywhere you look. She asks about the dust and the smoke. Then again Titu tells her that it is also in our environment, but this environment is bad environment. This makes us ill. We should keep our environment clean. The environment is in the air, in the water, in the soil and the food. So like this she makes her understand that environment is around us. It makes us strong and healthy. If the environment is healthy, then we are also strong and healthy. So we should keep our environment clean. We ourselves can keep our environment clean. So in this story there is a girl and a squirrel. That squirrel makes the girl understand that where is the environment and how should we keep it clean. So children, you should also keep your environment clean. If you will keep your environment clean, you will be strong and healthy. We should not waste water. We should not make our surrounding dirty. We should keep our surrounding clean, because cleanliness is next to godliness. If our surrounding is clean, there will be no disease. Everywhere, everything will be healthy. If a squirrel can make you understand about the environment, then why don't you understand? So I hope you all will keep your surrounding clean and you will make your environment clean. Thank you.